Hey there guys, Chet here. When you are looking for a software to run your service business, you will find tools that promise to do everything. Two of the biggest names that you will see are Jobber and Thryv. Now, both of these platforms can help you manage your customers and your schedule, but they are built with two completely different goals in mind. One is primarily a marketing platform that is designed to help you get found online, while the other is an operations platform that is designed to help you manage your actual work. This difference is very important, and in this video, we're going to compare Jobber and Thryv directly. We'll look at what each tool is really best at so that you can make a smart decision about which platform is the right foundation for your business. And at the end of the video, if you'd like to sign up for Jobber, make sure to use that link that I put down in the description to get access to a special limited time discount where you can save up to 30%. As you see right there on your screen, anyone who signs up for the annual plan gets 15% off the first year. If you choose a monthly plan, you get 30% off the first 3 months. I hope you're not too late to get this offer. But if you are, don't worry. I'm also giving away my custom Notion templates to help you stay organized from day one. These templates are valued at more than $900, but you're going to get them completely free when you sign up through my link as a thank you for supporting the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. First, let's talk about the core purpose of each platform. Thryv's main focus is on marketing and customer communication. It has a lot of tools to help you manage your social media posts, your online business listings on sites like Google, and your email marketing campaigns. It is a tool that is designed to help you attract new customers and manage your online presence. Now, Jobber, on the other hand, is built from the ground up to manage your daily operations. Its entire focus is on the life cycle of a job. It is designed to be the best tool in the world for things like quoting, scheduling your team, dispatching them to a job site, tracking their work, and what we're all wanting to do, get paid. It is a platform that is focused on making your actual service work as efficient as possible. So the first big difference is their main job, really. Thryv is a marketing tool that has some operational features. Jobber is an operational tool that has some marketing features. See what I did there? This leads us to the day-to-day workflow for your team. Now, because Thryv's focus is so broad and includes so many marketing tools, some users find that the features for managing the actual service work, like the scheduling and dispatching parts, are not as deep or as easy to use as they could be. It tries to do a lot of different things, so the core operational workflow can sometimes feel less polished. This is where Jobber is the clear winner for any service business. Jobber lives and breathes field service operations. The workflow from getting a customer request to sending the final invoice is incredibly smooth and logical. The mobile app for your team out in the field is simple to use and gives them all of the information they need to do their job correctly. Because Jobber is 100% focused on making your service work easier, it does a much better job at it. Finally, let's talk about the cost, because there's a huge and very important difference between these two platforms. When you look at Thryv's pricing, you will see that their main packages are very expensive. They offer 3 main plans for growing your business called Kickstart, Ignite, and Accelerate. Their starting plan, Kickstart, has a discounted price of $646 per month. The next plan up is called Ignite, costs $975 each month, and their top plan, Accelerate, is $1,176 per month. This pricing is very high because it often includes other bundled marketing services and may require you to sign a long-term contract. Jobber's pricing, on the other hand, is much more clear, flexible, and affordable, and it is designed to grow with your business. Jobber also offers 3 main plans. Their starter plan is called Core. It's available for a special price of $28 a month. Their most popular plan is called Connect and adds powerful automations. It's $84 a month. And their most advanced plan, the Grow plan, is $140 per month. As you can see, the price difference is massive. Jobber's pricing is transparent. It allows you to start for a very low cost and lets you upgrade at your own pace without forcing you into a giant expensive package. This makes Jobber a much more practical and financially smart choice for nearly any service business. So which one do you choose? In my opinion, you need to build your business on a strong operational foundation first. Thryv is an interesting tool if your only focus is on digital marketing. But for running your actual service business efficiently, Jobber is far superior. It is easier to use, it's better at managing your daily work, and its flexible pricing is better for your business. You can always add other marketing tools later, but you need a solid operational system from day one. And if you're ready to use Jobber, use that link I mentioned earlier down there in the description to get that special discount and my Notion templates worth more than $900 completely free. My way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. All right, that's it for this comparison. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.